Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold monthly, I'm still very confident that this is a 1, a 2, and that we're currently in a wave 3. Now, most wave 3s do go to the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, so I do think that there's a very, very good likelihood that this wave 3 is going all the way up to about the $2,550 area and potentially even higher than that. So this is the monthly time frame. It is going to take a long time to play out, but I am definitely very, very bullish. Going down to the weekly, I think this first uptrend right here is very clearly a 1. ABC down, wave 2. Now I think we're in a wave 3, and this is subdivisions of that wave 3, like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a 3 of 3. If this is a 3 of 3, then this thing has a lots and lots of upside potential, and wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, so a wave 3 of 3 should be even extra strong. So going down to the daily time frame, like I was just showing, I mean, we are in a wave 3 of 3, and maybe we will get a pullback, especially because the weekly is at a fib level, but I wouldn't really count on that pullback, and I wouldn't really be trying to go short, but instead I would definitely continue to be patiently waiting for proper ABC corrections on shorter time frames for long entries for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci extension measuring this last impulsive, projecting out the bottom of the last correction. We are at a Fibonacci level right now, but I'm not really convinced it's over. We are at a fib level on the weekly too, so maybe a pullback is likely. I wouldn't really count on that. It could easily just keep on drifting up for here. Like I said, my target is $2,500 and maybe even a lot higher than that. So for me, I would definitely be patiently waiting for pullbacks on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would want to see a nice proper ABC correction. Now today is a bank holiday for most people in the world, so it could possibly be a little bit slow. So don't be too surprised if it's kind of sideways today, but if it does make a decent pullback throughout the day, then that's actually great news for us, because at the end of this pullback, we should be able to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Maybe it'll make a big proper pullback, like a nice big ABC correction to this whole move up. Maybe it'll just make a little teeny ABC pullback, kind of like what I have drawn here. Either way, we should better recognize it, and we should better go long at the end of the ABC correction for the continuation of what I think is clearly a wave 3 of 3 on the much, much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.